case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1977 Supreme Court of Texas case, Frost National Bank of San Antonio v. Newton, the interpretation of a will's language was the primary concern. The court was tasked with clarifying the intention of the testatrix, Louise M. Cozby, based on the distinct definitions of terms used within her will. Cozby had drafted her will, designating Frost National Bank as the independent executor and trustee of her estate. Included in her estate was a trust set to remain valid until the death of the last named beneficiary. The Frost National Bank, as the trustee, held the duty to distribute 1/3 of the trust's net income for life to Cozby's husband, while the remaining 2/3 were to finance the education and support of 3 identified beneficiaries. However, legal complications arose, leading the bank to question whether the trust had prematurely terminated or if it should effectively last until the last living beneficiary's death. In an initial lawsuit, the lower courts ruled the trust should terminate. However, this decision was upturned upon appeal. When the Supreme Court reviewed the case, they reversed the decision of the lower courts, ruling that the trust should continue until the last surviving beneficiary dies. The only exception would be if the trustee intervened earlier due to the trust property's income becoming insufficient. This verdict underscores the will's terms had not yet been fully realized, giving ground for the trust's continuation. The lower court's contrary ruling was therefore judged in error. In this pivot, the Supreme Court underscored the necessity to adhere to the outlined intent within a will, despite any ambiguous circumstances that may arise.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.